Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to reset Windows security app on your Windows 11. So for this guys, you can follow this easy and very simple method. So let's get started. So first you need to open your Windows settings, hold Windows key button and press I. So this is the shortcut key to open the Windows settings. Okay. In the Windows settings, here in the left panel you can get the option apps. Just open it. From here you need to open the install apps, okay, like this. And here guys, scroll down and find out Windows security app. So just scroll down, at the end you can get the option Windows security. As you can see, just click on three dots option. From here you need to open advanced option like this, and here guys, slightly once again scroll down, here you can get the option reset. As you can see guys, if you want to reset it, just click on reset button. That's it. So this is the very easy and very simple method to reset Windows security app on your Windows 11. So that's it for today guys. The short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.